you think the world is beautiful looking at it from the ground, you will realize how much more beautiful it is when you are in the sky. And you will start falling in love with the sky when you are at 15,000 feet high and you are traveling at about 1,000 kilometers per hour. LCA Tejas is a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This world-class, state-of-the-art fighter aircraft is indigenously developed, designed and developed by DRDO, ADA, and the amazing committed scientists of our country, and produced and manufactured by our very own HAL in Bengaluru. I am extremely delighted today that I got an opportunity to fly in this wonderful fighter jet. It's an experience of a lifetime. LCA Tejas is Bangalore's gift to India. It's a testimony of a new India. In so many ways, LCA Tejas represents the spirit of New India. For one, most of young India's, New India's achievers today achieve their accolades and accomplishments only after a long, long journey of perseverance and hard work. Nothing comes easy. So has been the journey for LCA Tejas. 20 years of continuous development, series and series of approvals, clearances before it was finally approved. I also use this opportunity to thank our Honorable Prime Minister for sanctioning an order of more than 48,000 crores to HAL in Bengaluru to produce these LCA Tejas aircrafts for India. More than 200 companies in my city, Bengaluru, will directly be benefited, while a few hundred more companies, MSMEs, manufacturing units across the country will also be benefited, because more than 70% of all the parts used in this wonderful aircraft is produced and sourced locally. The respect that you have for our armed forces goes up by a few notches altogether. What they do is supremely amazing. It's superhuman at so many levels. So, on behalf of a grateful nation, I thank wholeheartedly. R&D in defense is also undertaken in the last 4 years. A major chunk of the budgetary allocation has gone to DRDO for further allocation. One of the badges that I am wearing today is also the AMCA, the new aircraft project that DRDO is working on. They're also working on a hypersonic cruise missile, which is going to establish India's military and defense research prowess at the international level. So we have been doing very well and we will do better.